Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the TV model and current firmware so you know which fixes apply. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, close the YouTube app fully. Don't just back out, because residual processes can cause playback errors. Next, power cycle the TV by unplugging for 30 seconds. This clears temporary cache and network handshakes. Make sure your router is working while the TV reboots, because connection issues often masquerade as app faults. Now focus on the network and the app. Run the TV's network test to verify speed and DNS. Wired connections or 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduce buffering. If the app is outdated or behaving oddly, update it from the Samsung App Store or uninstall and reinstall to reset its files. If your model exposes app storage, clear YouTube's cache and data to remove corrupt preferences. These steps fix most mid-process failures because they address both delivery and finish by signing out of YouTube and signing back in. That refreshes authentication tokens and can resolve playback limits. If problems persist across apps, consider a smart hub or system factory reset. This is a last resort because it removes app data and settings. Make sure to test another streaming app first to determine whether the issue is specific to YouTube or the TV itself. If YouTube alone fails, reinstall and retry. If all apps fail, pursue network or firmware repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.